I don't drink. So if you make a non-alcoholic version of this, it's not a big deal. I would just add a little bit of extra sugar, ice machine, half a blender cupful. Now, one of the things that I like in my margaritas is the antiseptic punch of fresh mint, some fine dissolvable sugar, little orange juice, fresh squeezed, a little lime juice, fresh squeezed, a little bit of Grand Marnier. If you want to use triple sec, you can. Now this is a reposada, an aged tequila. 1, 2, 3. I mean, look, if you're going to be serving people, serve them responsibly. Everyone can have a second margarita. Don't overload everybody. Wetting the rims of my glasses. And instead of putting salt on them, I'm putting this MEZCAL worm salt. These are dried mezcal worms mixed with sea salt. I'm going to put a sprig of fresh mint. There are 2 pitch perfect margaritas, and the only thing that's missing is a little lime. Cheers.